Today we are going to learn the most important problem, that is star question in a practice set 3.3. आज आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.3 मधील काही स्टार क्वेश्चन आहेत, महत्वाची आहेत, त्यांचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. Problem number 7 in a practice set 3.3. Before it, when you understand some particular term of an arithmetic progression. अंकगणित श्रेणीमधील काही क्रमागत पदे आहेत, ती पदी कसे कन्सिडर करतात, कसे मानतात ते प्रथम आपण समजून घेऊया. पर्टिक्युलर टर्म ऑफ an arithmetic progression. General form of an arithmetic progression is first term is a on RHS side a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. When on RHS side from the first term plus d goes on increasing, and on LHS side is a d goes on decreasing, a minus d, a minus 2d, a minus 3d, a minus 4d. In this way, this is a general form of an arithmetic progression. अंकगणित श्रेणीचे सामान्य स्वरूप. आता a हे पहिले पद आहे, उजव्या बाजूकडे प्रत्येक पदामध्ये d हा वाढत चाललेला आहे आणि आपण a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d उजव्या बाजूकडे अंकगणित श्रेणी पाहिलेली आहे. डाव्या बाजूकडे पहा a minus d, a minus 2d, a minus 3d, minus d हा वाढत चाललेला आहे किंवा minus d कमी होत चाललेला आहे. ओके. From this arithmetic progression we have to consider as, let three consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. अंकगणित श्रेणीतील तीन क्रमागत पदे. We have to consider a minus d, a plus d. When you solve such problem of three consecutive terms, we get AG. We have to consider three consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. We have to consider as a minus d, a plus d. तीन क्रमागत पदे आपण a minus d, a plus d ही consider करणार आहोत. Let four consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. अंकगणित श्रेणीतील चार क्रमागत पदे. Here difference between each term is a 2d, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. आपण प्रत्येक क्रमागत पदामध्ये 2d चा जर फरक घेतला तर आपल्याला ही क्रमागत चार पदे मिळतात. a minus 3d डाव्या बाजूला आहे, a plus 3d उजव्या बाजूला आहे, नंतर a minus d, a plus d, म्हणजेच a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d ही क्रमागत चार अंकगणित श्रेणीची क्रमागत पदे आहेत. किंवा आपण हेही कन्सिडर करू शकतो a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. परंतु ही चार क्रमागत पदे तुम्हाला उदाहरणामध्ये दिली जातात. जर दिलेली नसतील तर आपण या पद्धतीने कन्सिडर करणार आहोत a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. And 5 consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. अंकगणित श्रेणीतील पाच क्रमागत पदे. Middle term is a on RHS side a plus d, a plus 2d, and on LHS side a minus d, a minus 2d. Therefore, 5 consecutive terms a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. पाच क्रमागत पदामध्ये मध्यम पद a आहे, a च्या उजव्या बाजूला a plus d, a plus 2d आहे आणि a च्या डाव्या बाजूला a minus d, a minus 2d आहे. अशा पद्धतीने तीन क्रमागत पदे, चार क्रमागत पदे आणि पाच क्रमागत पदे अंकगणित श्रेणीसाठी कन्सिडर करायची आहेत. यावरचे काही प्रॉब्लेम आज आपण घेणार आहोत. प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 7 in a practice set 3.3. In an arithmetic progression, the sum of three consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Find the terms in bracket. Assume that three consecutive terms in an arithmetic progression are a minus d, a and a plus d. Meaning of this problem, अंकगणित श्रेणीच्या 3 क्रमागत पदाची बेरीज 27 आहे आणि त्यांचा गुणाकार 504 आहे, तर ती पदे काढा. कंसामध्ये तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी दिलेला आहे, परंतु कधी कधी ही पदे दिली जात नाहीत, तेव्हा तुम्हाला ही कन्सिडर करून घ्यावी लागतात. सोल्युशन ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लेम, let 3 consecutive terms in an arithmetic progression is a minus d, a and a plus d. First condition, the sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27. From the first condition, the sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27. त्या 3 क्रमागत पदांची बेरीज 27 आहे. a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 27. Here is a minus d plus d get cancel. A plus a is a 3a, minus d get cancel. A plus a is equal to 27. 3a is equal to 27. A plus a is equal to 3a. 3a is equal to 27. Therefore, 3 multiplied to a goes down RHS side, then we get divide. A is equal to 27 upon 3 is equal to 3 9s are 27. Therefore, a is equal to 9. And from the second condition, their product is 504. त्यांचा गुणाकार 504 आहे. Therefore, a minus d multiply a plus d is equal to 504. Here substitute the value a is equal to 9. 9 minus d multiply 9 plus d is equal to 504. This 9 multiply goes down RHS side, then we get divide. Therefore, 9 minus d multiply 9 plus d is equal to 504 upon 9 is equal to 56. Here 9 minus d multiply 9 plus d is equal to 504 upon 9. 9 divided to 504, then you get 56. Here 9 minus d multiply 9 plus d is equal to 56. Here a minus b and a plus b by using this expansion formula, which is a minus b multiply a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore, 9 minus d multiply 9 plus d, 9 square minus d square is equal to 56. Therefore, 9 square is 81. 81 minus d square is equal to 56. Here, 81 goes down RHS side, then we get minus. Minus d square is equal to 56 minus 81. Minus d square, here in this subtraction, greater number has negative sign. Their subtraction is negative. Minus d square is equal to minus 25. Minus plus. Therefore, d square is equal to 25. Taking square root on both sides, d is equal to plus minus 5. Here a is equal to 9 and d is equal to plus minus 5. Therefore, the value of d is a plus 5 or d is equal to minus 5. If a is equal to 9 and d is equal to 5, then 3 consecutive terms are: first, a minus d, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Second, a is equal to 9. And third, a plus d is equal to 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. And if a is equal to 9 and d is equal to minus 5, therefore the value of d are two values, plus 5 and minus 5. Take here d is equal to minus 5. Then 3 consecutive terms are: first, a minus d is equal to 9 minus of minus 5. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. A is equal to 9. And third one, a plus d, 9 plus of minus 5. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Here a is equal to 9, d is equal to 5, then you get 3 values, 4, 9, 14. And a is equal to 9 and d is equal to minus 5, then we get 3 consecutive terms, 14, 9, 4 is the same, only it is reverse. Therefore, 3 consecutive terms are 4, 9, 14 or 14, 9 and 4. In this way, to find three consecutive terms. Problem number 8. Find four consecutive terms in an arithmetic progression whose sum is 12 and the sum of the third and fourth term is 14. Assume that four consecutive terms in an arithmetic progression are a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Meaning of this problem: अंकगणित श्रेणीच्या चार क्रमागत पदांची बेरीज 12 आहे आणि तिसऱ्या आणि चौथ्या पदाची बेरीज 14 असेल तर ती पदे काढा. कंसात दिलेलं आहे, ही पदे कन्सिडर करा. जर कंसात दिलं नसेल तर तुम्ही ही पदे किंवा a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 3d हे तुम्ही कन्सिडर करू शकता. त्याही पद्धतीने उत्तर सारखंच येते. Let four consecutive terms in an arithmetic progression a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d, it is given in a bracket. First condition, whose sum is a 12. From the first condition, the sum of four consecutive term is a 12. तर चार क्रमागत पदांची बेरीज 12 आहे. Therefore, a minus d plus a plus d, a plus 2d is equal to 12. Solve this bracket. A minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 2d is equal to 12. Plus d minus d get 0. Therefore, a plus a plus a plus a is equal to 4a. 4a plus 2d is equal to 12. Here 2 take common on RHS side. To take common in bracket 2a plus d is equal to 12. This 2 goes on RHS side, then you get divide. 2a plus d is equal to 12 upon 2. 2 6 are 12. 2a plus d is equal to 6. We get equation number 1. And second condition is third and fourth term of sum is 14. Sum of third and fourth term is 14. तिसऱ्या आणि चौथ्या पदाची बेरीज 14 आहे. तिसरे पद a plus d and चौथे पद a plus 2d या दोघांची बेरीज a plus d plus a plus 2d is equal to 14. a plus a is a 2a, d plus 2d plus 3d is equal to 14. We get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 are simultaneous equation. The coefficient of a is the same in both equation. Having same sign, then subtracting equation 1 and 2. Subtract equation 1 from 2. Equation number 2, 2a plus 3d is equal to 14. And equation number first, 2a plus d is equal to 6. Subtract equation 1 from 2. Then you get sign change. Is a minus plus minus. Here minus plus minus, and this is a minus 6. Therefore, plus 2a minus 2a get 0, and plus 3d minus d is equal to plus 2d is equal to 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Therefore, minus 2a plus minus minus, here is a minus, then plus 2a minus 2a get 0, plus 3d minus d is equal to plus 2d, and 16 minus 4 minus 6 is equal to 8. 2d is equal to 8. Therefore, d 2 goes down RHS side, then we get divide d is equal to 8 upon 2 is equal to 4 is 8. D is equal to 4. Substitute the value of d in equation 1. Equation 1 is 2a plus d is equal to 6. The value of d is equal to 4. 2a plus 4 is equal to 6. 4 goes on RHS side, then you get minus. 2a is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, a is equal to 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. Hence, a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 4. Therefore, to find 4 consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. First, a minus d. A is the 1 minus 4. Here is the minus sign. D is a 4. 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Second term, a is equal to 1. Third term, a plus d. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. And fourth term, a plus 2d. A is equal to 1 plus 2 multiply 4. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Minus 3, 1, 5 and 9 are 4 consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. Problem number 9. If the ninth term of an arithmetic progression is 0, then show that 29th term is twice the 19th term. Meaning of this problem, जर अंकगणित श्रेणीचे 9वे पद 0 आहे तर दाखवा की 29वे पद 19व्या पदाच्या दुप्पट आहे. Solution: let the first term of the arithmetic progression is a and common difference is a d. Therefore, ninth term of an arithmetic progression is 0. It is given T9 is equal to 0. General term of an arithmetic progression, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiply d. Here T9 is equal to 0 is given. Therefore, ninth term T9 is equal to a plus n 9 minus 1 multiply d. Here T9 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to a plus 8d. Therefore, a plus 8d is equal to 0 plus 8d goes on RHS side, then we get minus. Therefore, a is equal to minus 8d. This is the value of a. Therefore, 29th term and 19th term show that this relation. First, to find 29th term and 19th term. 19th term of an arithmetic progression. अंकगणित श्रेणीचे 19वे पद T19 is equal to a plus 19 minus 1 multiply d. Here T19 is equal to a plus 80d. Substitute the value a is equal to minus 8d in this equation. Therefore, T19 is equal to minus 8d plus 18d. These are like terms. D contain both terms. It gets subtraction. Therefore, plus 18d minus 8d is equal to plus 10d. T19 is equal to 10d. Equation number 1. Similarly, to find 29th term of an arithmetic progression, अंकगणित श्रेणीचे 19वे पद. T29 is equal to a plus 29 minus 1 multiply d. Therefore, T29 is equal to the value of a is equal to minus 8d plus 29 minus 1 28d plus 28d minus 8d is equal to T29 is equal to 20d. Equation number 2. From equation 1 and equation number 2, here one relation get 20d is equal to 2 multiplied 10d. 20d ला आपण 2 multiplied 10d असं लिहू शकतो. 20d is the T29 terms. Therefore, T29 is equal to 2 times 10d is a 19th term T19. Hence, it is proved that the 29th term is a twice of 19th term. Hence, it is a proof. Today's homework. First problem, in an arithmetic progression, the sum of 3 consecutive terms is 30 and their product is 360. Find the terms. Assume that 3 consecutive terms in arithmetic progression are a minus d, a and a plus d. एका अंकगणित श्रेणीच्या 3 क्रमागत पदाची बेरीज 30 आहे आणि त्यांचा गुणाकार 360 असेल तर ती 3 क्रमागत पदे काढा. तुम्हाला आन्सर पण दिलेला आहे 2, 10, 18 और 18, 10, 2. Second, find 4 consecutive terms in an arithmetic progression whose sum is 2 and the sum of the third and fourth term is 11. अंकगणित श्रेणीच्या 4 क्रमागत पदाची बेरीज 2 आहे आणि तिसऱ्या आणि चौथ्या पदाची बेरीज 11 असेल तर ती 4 क्रमागत पदे काढा. अशा पद्धतीने प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.3 या ठिकाणी संपलेला आहे. सर्वांनी प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.3 चा सोडवण्याचा सराव करा, भरपूर अभ्यास करा सगळ्या प्रॅक्टिस सेटच्या या चॅप्टर मध्ये, कारण की उद्या आपण प्रॉब्लेम सेटचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. ओके.